Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw and color the odd ones out. Now we're going to get started in the center of a page with a large oval for the head. So let's start at the very top of the oval. We're going to work our way around, down towards the bottom, and then we'll come back up on the right side, towards the top of the oval. Now over on the left side here, we're going to draw a small circle for the eye. And we're going to go ahead and fill that in black. Now we're going to move over towards the right and up and draw in the right eye. So the same size circle. And then we'll fill that in black as well. Now back over towards the left, we're going to draw on the edge of the cheek. So from the eye, we're going to step in, curve in, around, and then back up. Let's draw on the top of the mouth. So on this curve, we're going to come down and across towards the right eye. Now at the end, we're just going to hook this back. Let's draw on the lower part of the mouth. So at the bottom of the cheek, I'm going to draw a half circle, curving around, down towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull that up underneath the top of the mouth. Let's add in the edge of the tongue. So from the top of the mouth, I'm going to curve out and down towards the bottom of the mouth. Going out and down. Let's fill this outer area in black. Now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to move over towards the left side and draw on the left arm. So out here, we're going to curve out the arm. Pull that back in towards the bottom of the hand. Now from here, we're going to round out the hand and come up just underneath the head. Rounding out the hand, going up. Now we're just going to pull this back out. Let's move down towards the bottom of the hand. We're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the left heel. Now let's draw on the foot. From here, I'm going to curve down, come up towards the toe. I'm just going to hook this back over the top of the foot. From the top of the foot, we're going to draw the inside of the leg. We're going to curve up, round this out, and then now come down towards the right heel, towards the same height as we have on the left. Now let's draw on the right foot. We're going to draw that same curve, come down, round out the foot, and then over the top. Now we're going to move back up underneath the head and just round out the side of the body. So up here, we're just going to curve out and then down on top of the right foot. Come straight down. Now we're going to raise the right arm just in behind the head. So on the side of the head here, we're going to round out the hand, curving out, come down. Now we're just going to pull this in behind the side of the body. Now that we completed the line art, it's time to start coloring this in. We're going to start by coloring the tongue in red. Now we're going to go in with a light blue pen and start drawing in the shaded areas. We're going to start with the head first, starting directly above the eye, curve around the eye, come down and then in towards the bottom of the head. Let's fill the outer area in blue. Now we're going to draw the shadow along the arm. So from the side of the arm, we're going to step in underneath the head, curve around, and then just blend in towards the bottom of the hand, and again, fill that in blue. Let's continue with the legs. Starting underneath the hand, we're going to curve down. And we're going to round this out and come across towards the bottom of the foot. And we'll do the same thing with this leg. Now we're going to start at the bottom of the body, curve out, down, and then round this out towards the bottom of the foot. And then we'll add some shading along the top of this arm. Starting from the top of the hand, we'll curve in and down behind the head. We'll move down here, we're going to curve down and then across. Let's fill this area in blue. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the odd ones out. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.